Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today, we're going to solve SkillRack daily challenge. That is, we'll go through an SQL query designed to fetch specific data from a table called laptop based on certain conditions. Firstly, let's take a look at the table structure. The laptop table is created with the following columns: ID as an integer, name as a varchar, 30, price as an integer, processor as a varchar, 30, storage as a varchar, 10, and RAM as a varchar, 10. Now, the challenge requires us to write an SQL query that retrieves the ID, name, price, processor, storage, and RAM columns from the laptop table. The query should filter the results based on multiple conditions. Specifically, it should select laptops with a price less than 40,000, a processor of Core i5, a storage capacity of 1 terabyte, and a RAM size of 8 gigabytes. Furthermore, the results should be sorted by the ID column in ascending order. Let's break down the SQL query step by step. We start with the select statement, which specifies the columns we want to retrieve: ID, name, price, processor, storage, and RAM. Next, the from clause indicates that we are selecting data from the laptop table. Moving on to the where clause, we add conditions to filter the data. We use price less than 40,000 to ensure we only get laptops priced lower than 40,000, processor equals Core i5 to select laptops with a processor type of Core i5, storage equals 1 terabyte to pick laptops with a storage capacity of 1 terabyte, and RAM equals 8 gigabytes to choose laptops with a RAM size of 8 gigabytes. Lastly, we include an order by clause to arrange the results in ascending order based on the ID column. So, this SQL query fetches the required laptop data from the laptop table, meeting the specified conditions and sorting the results by ID in ascending order. That's the breakdown of the SQL query designed to solve this challenge. Feel free to use this query or modify it according to your specific database setup and requirements. I hope this breakdown was helpful. Here's a fun one for you all. If you could assign a laptop model name based on your favorite movie or TV show, what would it be and why? Share your creative laptop names inspired by your beloved entertainment in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.